What's up, homies? Got my big gulp right here.
Hey, what's up?
Know where we're at. Come on, baby.
Thanks to my brother. My twin.
The twin brother right here. The silver one and the beige one. HP USA, baby. Come on, man. StopTech. Steel braided lines. Can't even bend these. Now we got Honda parts. We're gonna go to Motorsport Z store out in OC to go get some Z parts for my boy's car here and for my pop's car too. So we'll catch you guys there. Haven't been here in ages, bro. Years ago, there was this meet with the Z where we had it here at the Angel Stadium. These fools said that they were gonna host another one. They never did. They lied to a little kid. I remember I actually posted up here with the picture of the 280. I'll see if I posted it on the video, but I was posted up right here. Just to give you guys a little scope here, man. I haven't been in this store in a minute, man. So you got a bunch of little like pictures and frames. I remember when I first saw this, man, when I was getting to the Z's, this was like the holy grail right here. You got the headers, you got the SU carbs right here. I mean, it doesn't get better than that, man. This thing has the E80 head. It's the most baller head that you can get for the L series. It's like the early series 1's heads. Got air intakes for the Z's, strut bars, coils, sway bars.
That's what I'm getting right now.
Oh, you're getting this one right now? That's right. He's getting the cover for his dashboard. Doesn't want to show the cracks. Camshafts right here, reed grinds, hose lines. Those look just like the ones that I got. Oh, they got fresh tail lights, ECUs, Z hats, headers, radiator, 350Z bumpers. This pulser, the BREZ, man, that one's feeding me away. Oh, is that for the U joints for the CV axles? I had to change those, bro. Oh, yeah, when mine broke, when I launched it against a Trackhawk. Told that one time I was leaving school, and there's a Trackhawk next to me. And since, you know, like the Z, bro, like 6-to-1 headers, almost like straight pipe type of exhaust system, it rumbles pretty nice. It's like boom, 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 boom. And a Trackhawk, he was revving it. Momo t-shirt, $5, not bad. The Trackhawk, he revved it. I mean, clearly I wasn't gonna beat him. So I launched it. I launched the car like at 3,000 RPMs, my 280, and the CV axle broke. And blew up. I was like, bro.
Full face cover.
Full face cover for the dashboard.
That's good, you know?
Yeah, let's see right here. Damn. No cracks. Headers right here for the 240. Fresh ass. Ceramic coated headers. All right, you guys saw this yesterday. There's the old one right here. All chewed up and everything. Look at that. All boofed up. I got the fresh one right here. Stainless steel braided from StopTech. Beautiful, man. And also comes with the hardware. You got the crush washers. You got the little covers for the bleeder, and then the bolts. The brake hose line, I'll just clip right here to the brake line, attach it with the clip right here, secure it, better said, and then just change that bolt right there with the crush washers. That's it. And look, the brake fluid did me a favor. I guess when it blew up, it started peeling off some of this paint here on the knuckle. Oh yeah, you have no idea how much I hate this paint. This wasn't me. While I would never paint a brake line, nor the knuckle, nor the sway bar, which by the way I had to attach it, but you get the whole idea. And the subframe, I should have sprayed it with some of that industrial paint remover when I had all the suspension off. Here's the old bolt here with the 2 crush washers, and here's a fresh one right here with the new crush washers, fresh. I pulled up the bracket closer to where the yellow markings were at. It's kind of like the factory, I guess, setup that I had. It doesn't have that sharp of an angle, but I mean, it still has a whole negative slope the whole way, so it still rolls down. Not the sharpest angle that I would like, but I'm pretty sure it should clear. All right, so that's how the line looks. So I think it should clear. So it should be fine. I could probably pull the slack a little more down to give it a little more negative of slope, but it should be good there. This bolt's already tied in all the way. And then the line, I've already hand tied it all the way. It goes pretty far in, so now I'm just gonna use the flare nut wrench, the 17 and the 10. And now it's just a brake line clip. I hate taking these off. I hate putting them on, man. See how the line moves still right now? Yeah, once you put this little bad boy, it won't move no more. It's all done and ready to go. Clips in, it's tight in right here, tight in right here. It has a bolt right here, so everything's good to go. all I have to do is just bleed it now, but I'm gonna do the passenger side too, since it came with a pair, but I'll just do that one off camera. So I'll get back to you guys once it's bleeding time. So the car is completely dropped. Let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, much better, look at that. So it slopes down and it comes around the loop, second loop, and then boom, right into the caliper. Me and my dad just finished bleeding the brakes. We locked in, man, sorry I didn't record. Started at rear passenger, then went to rear driver, then we went to front passenger, and then front driver here. This is rear passenger here. Just gonna put the little cover for the bleeder here. I don't know why this previous owner, whoever painted this crap blue, bro. I don't understand the theme, man. This I put because I got these, I think I did a video on these. But the blue, I don't get the blue, man. It's crazy, man, because he even painted these little covers blue. This guy was either lazy, I don't know what was up with him, man, but I'm not a fan of it at all. And the kid did bring some fresh ones, the two front.